everyone, welcome to another lipstick on a rig basic crochet video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach your yarn to your crochet hook. Keep in mind this is basically how you're going to attach the yarn to your crochet hook in every pattern unless it says, you know, magic circle or magic loop, something like that. Otherwise this is your standard. So to get started, I'm going to just teach you a little bit about this. This is your tail. This is your working yarn. In order to attach the yarn to your hook, you're going to hold your tail like this. You're going to twist your working yarn over the tail like so, and kind of hold at that intersection with your thumb and index finger. With your other thumb and index finger, you're going to grab the working yarn up through that loop and let go of your hold on that intersection. Now slide your hook in through that loop and then pull it nice and tight. How you know if you did it correctly is take it out, undo it, and if it doesn't knot, then you did everything right. So let's try it one more time. Holding the tail, I'm going to twist my working yarn over the tail, grab the working yarn with my thumb and index finger, pull it up through, stick my crochet hook in, and tighten it to the hook. Now another thing I'm going to show you really fast is how to hold your yarn, your working yarn. You're going to lace it over your pinky and also over your index finger like this. That should give you the right amount of tension to work with your yarn appropriately. And you can kind of bend and wiggle your index finger to pull more yarn as needed. Well, congratulations! You can now attach your yarn to your crochet hook fairly simply. And you should be able to get started on any crochet projects. Don't forget to check out my other basic crochet videos if you're new to crocheting, and also should have some nice crafts for you to check out if you're a beginner. Please consider subscribing to my channel Lipstick on a Rig and giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.